Yo, what's up? Ricky Sanders here. If you live for fast cars, greasy hands, and solving problems under the hood, welcome to your new favourite spot. I'm all about real fixes, no BS, and showing you how to keep your ride running like a champ. So go ahead, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's make some noise in the garage. Enough talk. Let's get ready.
The first UZ series engines came off the assembly line of the Tahara plant in 1989. They were designed specifically for heavy-duty models in the sporty and premium segment. The firstborn of the series, 1UZ motor, was installed under the hood of the new Toyota Celica sedan. For the American and European markets, the car was called Lexus LS 400. 1. Unit number within the series, U. Line designation, Z. Fuel type, gasoline, F. Standard power range, E. Electronically controlled distributed injection. The configuration of the internal combustion engine was dictated by the power required for heavy-class vehicles. Its realization required FE engine with a working volume of 4 liters. The large capacity is provided by 8 cylinders arranged in a V-shape with a 90 degrees camber angle. This configuration results in a relatively compact unit. The 5-post crankshaft with twin connecting rod journals is driven by aluminum silicon pistons with a geometric size ratio close to square. The use of aluminum as a material for the cylinder block, BC, has reduced the drive weight to 220 kilograms. The power output of the unit is about 260 horsepower. Automatic only. The design contains two 16-valve heads with DOHC timing mechanisms containing 2 camshafts each with a trempler and ignition coil on each. The timing is belt-driven, with only the intake and exhaust shafts driven from the intake through gears. If the belt breaks, the phase is disrupted, but the valves are not affected, which is a significant advantage. In 1995, there was a small modernization, connected with the lightening of the cylinder shaft and increased compression. This resulted in slightly improved performance. In addition, instead of tremplers, a fully electronic ignition system with an individual coil for each cylinder was used. In 1997, the VVTi system was introduced on the 1UZ FE V8 engine. Since then, 2 versions of the powertrain have been produced: the 1UZ engine drive 1UZ with VVTi system and the 1UZ FE version non-VVTi, and all of them were mated only with automatic transmissions, 5-speed for VVTi and 4-speed for non-VVTi. Some of the nameplate data of the 3 modifications is shown below. Designation 1UZ FE 1UZ FE. Production period 1989 to 95. 1995 to 97. 1997 to 2002 cylinder diameter times piston stroke cylinder diameter times piston stroke compression ratio 10, 410, 5 Nmax, HP, N, RPM 256, 5400, 261, 5400, 290, 6010 MKR, NMN, RPM 353, 4600, 363, 4600, 407, 4000 weight of the machine. Kilogram advantages and disadvantages rarely can a drivetrain boast such an impeccable reputation as the 1UZ engine. All those almost 20 years that it came off the assembly line, the 1UZ engine was produced in FE version, without significant changes. Over time, it was replaced by more voluminous UZ engines, 2UZ FE, 4.7 liters, and 3UZ FE, 4.3 liters. It should be noted that fuel consumption is within reasonable limits. For the mixed cycle it is about 12 liters per 100, which is comparable to the appetite of Volga GAZ 31105, which is a representative of approximately the same class as Toyota with Lexus, with a significantly lower powertrain capacity. The main advantage of use it is a huge resource, reaching 500,000 or more kilometers. The description of disadvantages will not take up much space. Unfortunate location of the water pump, making it difficult to service, and leading to an increase in the load on the toothed belt, which is at the same time the timing drive. As a result of belt breakage on the modifications with VVT, bent valves. 225,220,226. The plugs are difficult to access. The first engines were characterized by the difficulty in servicing the trampeller ignition. It is easy to damage the automatic hydraulic timing tensioner when replacing the belt. Maintenance. Despite the legendary longevity of the unit, it is necessary to monitor its technical condition and perform all routine procedures in a timely manner. The declared durability of the timing belt is 100,000 kilometers. In fact, for safety reasons, it is better to replace it somewhat earlier. When installing the belt, pay attention to the alignment of the control marks with the reference marks. Before installing the automatic tensioner, it is necessary to check its operability. The tappet should protrude about 11 mm, 10.5 to 11.5, beyond the housing trim. Engine oil should be changed every 10,000 kilometers of mileage, not forgetting to change the oil filter. When selecting a lubricant, follow the recommendations of the vehicle service manual and take into account the degree of engine wear. The plugs require special attention. Platinum and GK-BKR60P11 are suitable for the usual UZ, and for UZ-FE VVTi, it is advisable to use products with iridium tips, for example, Denso SK20R11. To whom, tuning, and to whom, welding fans of thrills do not always have enough power of stock motors. The 1UZ engine offers a wide range of possibilities for boosting. 400 horses will be provided by installation of a rod with forged pistons, injectors from 2JZ GTE, 3-inch exhaust, intercooler, and control unit VEMS. Pressure should be raised to 0.7 bar. A higher power increase will be provided by using a Garrett GT40 base turbo kit instead of a compressor, or a self-selected set, including a blower-off, boost controller, and VEMS processor. The 1UZ turbo output manages to produce 450 horsepower. 2 Garrett VNT25 units form a 1UZ twin turbo with about 500 horses. Many people use 1UZ swap for various domestic cars, Volga, UAZ, Gazelle, GAZ66 and a number of others. Even the owners of Japanese cars, such as Toyota Altezza, Toyota Chaser, Toyota Mark II, Mitsubishi Pajero, install this unit. In addition, it is used on small riverboats, homemade airboats. It is not in vain that in 1997 the Americans developed and certified the FV2400-2 TC aircraft engine for private light engine aviation. On the basis of this motor, probably, no Japanese power unit has received such recognition in the automotive world as the Toyota UZ. In conclusion, the 1UZ FE engine stands as a testament to Toyota's engineering excellence, combining a robust powertrain with a refined design. Its unique configuration offers a blend of performance and reliability, making it a popular choice among enthusiasts. While it boasts several advantages, such as smooth operation and potential for tuning, it also has its drawbacks that should be considered. Proper maintenance is crucial to ensure longevity and optimal performance. Whether you're looking to enhance its capabilities or considering a swap for a project, the versatility of the 1UZ FE engine opens up a world of possibilities. Thank you for joining us as we explored this remarkable piece of automotive history.